This is the story of four old sailors.
They are rowing a boat back to
their town, Viveiro.
They are happy to see Mount San Roque.
It means they are near home.
being a sailor is hard work. They usually work during night time under the light of the moon.
They arrive to town in the morning.
With a smell of coolness.
They bring different kinds of fish to town, like sardines,
Anchovy, jack mackerel,
their friends wait for them in the coast
and pick up their part.